everybody, welcome back to my channel and to another vlog. It's actually the last bit of vlog from 2024 because today is New Year's Eve. I've been out this morning and done my very last job. We went to a golf club over in Knoll and we decorated that for their New Year's Eve party. They had some gorgeous black, silver and gold themed table bouquets. Nothing crazy. It was a really simple setup, so easy to do, really quick. We were in and out within about half an hour. The hardest thing was actually getting into the place because all the doors were locked, but another story. Anyway, so that's that. I've got 3 more bubbles to decorate for a party and then that is it for this year, and then we will ring in 2025 at midnight tonight. We're going round to a friend's house for the evening, so that will be fun. We might do some karaoke, which is usually hilarious. I am the designated driver, which doesn't really worry me too much because I'm not a big drinker. And yeah, that's about it. So I've been working on some new items for Etsy. Obviously, I know it's not even January yet, but I'm working on Easter stuff. So I've got the this is an Easter egg banner that I'm going to be making, and this is the blue and yellow version. And then I've done a pink and yellow version, and then there's another one which I've actually already put away, which is lilac, I think. Did I do yellow? Lilac and yellow, and it just says Happy Easter on it. So I'll put a picture of that in now for you so that you can see that. It's a really pretty banner garland thingy. So that's what I'm working on at the minute. I've done some stuff for more sort of 40th birthday stuff as well. We've done some Valentine's stuff, and obviously we're going to expand the prom offering for this year. We're going to be doing sashes as well. So yeah, so I'm not sure how this vlog's going to go. I think it's going to be a bit of everything, and let's just see what 2025 brings. What the heck are you doing under there? You're special, aren't you? Hello everybody, welcome back to another day. Today is the 4th of January. It is very cold. We are due to get a big snowstorm tonight. So I'm not really looking forward to it because it's supposed to be about 13 centimetres of snow coming, and I think it's going to start at about 6 o'clock this evening and then go through to like 4 o'clock Sunday morning. And then tomorrow it's going to be 12 degrees, so it's going to be positively tropical tomorrow. But today I've just got down all the decorations out the front of the house. Obviously it's 12th night tomorrow night, so we need to make sure all the Christmas stuff is put away. So I'm going to take you along with me now to take down the rest of the stuff that's in the house and get started on a big old tidy up and get all that done now. I'm just finishing off my lunch, got a nice cup of tea. I am absolutely freezing, but I thought there's not much point in putting the heating on because I'm going to be going up and downstairs and I'm probably going to end up getting quite warm, so maybe after I have done all that I will put the heating on and warm myself up a little bit. But yeah, let's get started with taking down Christmas. I always struggled to decide what to do with my Christmas cards every year, so what I've started to do is just grab an A4 envelope and I write on the envelope the year what the cards are from, and then I just take down all of my cards and I put them into this envelope, and then it just makes them a little bit more organised, and I keep it so that then if we wanted to go back through them we could do. All of the cards from like the latter end of this year go into this envelope with the Christmas card, so anything from sort of Shelby's birthday, which is October, all the way through to Christmas will be going in this. And I just like to sort anything that I'm not going to keep, so like that one there was from Hallmark, there was another one from another card supplier that I'm not going to keep those, and they just go to one side, and then everything else just gets put into the envelope and just goes into the loft into one of the memory boxes that's already up there for the year. Is Christmas 2024 done and dusted then. That took me probably about an hour and a half to do. It didn't actually take very long. I was quite pleased. I have just piled it all up onto the landing, mind you, so when my husband comes home he's probably gonna have a bit of a fit that everything's there, but it might inspire him to get it all put away tonight, so hopefully, fingers crossed. I hope you've enjoyed this video. It was just a little quick one really, because I haven't really done very much on YouTube for the last couple of weeks. I've done quite a lot of shorts and stuff, and I've just taken a little break really, which is fair enough, isn't it? This year now, not next year anymore, I've got quite a few balloon videos that are ready to be edited, so I've got to crack on with that. And I've got some other bits and pieces in the pipeline, so I hope that you have enjoyed this video. And I hope that you've enjoyed watching it as much as I enjoyed making it. Thank you so much for all your support over the last 12 months, and Happy New Year to you. Have a fantastic week, and I'll see you soon for another video. Take care of yourselves. Bye.